2022 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.